All right, welcome back. So in this video training, we're going to set up the first lead notification autoresponder. So basically, the first thing that we want to do to make sure that we capitalize on getting these leads that come into our funnel converted and becoming patients or customers is time, right? So we want to make sure that we follow up with them as quickly as possible. And so if we can automate a notification that comes directly to us, our team, internally, that lets us know, hey, someone just signed up for your offer. We can shorten that timeline and increase our chances of follow-up and conversion. So I'm going to show you how to set up a basic lead notification email right now. So we're going to go into the funnel. The next thing we're going to go is we've got our funnel page, right? So we've got our opt-in page and we've got our thank you page. So this is just that 2-page funnel. Anytime you set up a notification email, what you have to make sure is that the page, right? So over here on the funnel steps or the funnel pages, whichever page has the opt-in form or the portion that is going to collect information. So in this one, if we go in here and look, we can see that this is the form. So on this page, that's the page that we want to make sure we're setting up our autoresponder, right? So if I'm here on this tab, I want to go to automation. If I were to set up an automation on this page, it will not transfer over to this second page. So these are two different automations. If you had multiple pages in here, it allows you to set up automations and emails and lists for all sorts of things. You can have a very complex funnel here. But for the sake of, again, this training, we want to make sure that we just get the lead notification set up on the opt-in page. So this is a sign up page. Go to automation. And this is what it's going to look like, right? So trigger these events, email, SMS, which is text, and actions. And so the first thing we're going to do is just add that notification email that lets us know a new lead has come in. So we're going to go add new action. We can just name it whatever we want, but I'll put a new patient lead notification. Condition is going to be everyone. We're going to use the Clickfunnels internal integration. And then we're going to go to email notification here, and then the email to notify. So what email do we want the notification to come to? So if I were to go and just put in my own and then create action funnel, and that's it. So as soon as someone signs up for this offer, I'm automatically going to get an email notification that comes straight to me. Okay. So that is the end of this video, specifically just for that lead notification. If I had another offer in here, another complex offer, I can put another lead notification in there as well. If I have 2 points where I'm collecting information from someone, let's say on the first page, maybe I'm having them get a free PDF. Obviously, I can put a notification on that. I can also put a notification on any page where maybe there was a purchase or someone signed up for a bonus offer. Those are a little bit more complex funnels, obviously, but you want to have notifications for each of those. Also, you can go back in and edit any point at any time and change the email that you want to notify. You can also add in multiple emails. You just separate it by a comma, and you can type in another email. So if you have 2 or 3 people on your team, or if let's say you're the doctor, a clinician, and you want your team to be doing the follow-up, but you also want to kind of have your finger on the pulse, you can put as many emails in here as you want, and it's just going to send everybody a notification email. Okay, so that's it for this training, and I'll see you in the next video.